Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ngayon naman guys, sisamahan niyo ako maglinis ng aming electric pan. Alisin natin to isa-isa guys dahil ito ay ating babrushan. Ayan guys, tapos na natin tong linisan at i-assemble na ulit natin ito. For sure guys, malakas na naman ang hangin nito. Yun na lang muna guys. If you like our video, don't forget to visit aina.com and buy us a cup of Coke or coffee. Bye guys!